Ever wished your payroll responsibilities would just disappear? For solopreneurs, managing payroll can feel like a full-time job in itself, pulling you away from what you do best, building your business. You're juggling clients, marketing, product development, and then, on top of it all, you have to remember tax deadlines, withholdings, and ensuring your contractors or employees get paid accurately and on time. It's a massive drain on your limited resources, both time and mental energy. The solo struggle. Why payroll is such a headache. Let's be honest, for most solopreneurs, the initial thought of hiring someone is exciting. Finally, some help. But that excitement quickly gets overshadowed by the dread of payroll. Suddenly, you're not just a business owner. You're also a de facto HR and accounting department. Think about it. Time consumption. How many hours do you spend each month just on payroll tasks? Calculating hours, processing payments, preparing tax forms. It adds up. For a solopreneur, every hour is precious. That's an hour you could be spending on client acquisition, refining your offerings, or even just taking a much-needed break. Compliance complexities. Payroll isn't just about cutting a check. There are federal, state, and sometimes even local tax laws to navigate. Missteps can lead to hefty penalties, audits, and a lot of unnecessary stress. Do you know the difference between an employee and an independent contractor according to the IRS? Are you up to date on unemployment insurance requirements in your state? It's a minefield of regulations. Accuracy risks. Even a small mathematical error can lead to big problems. Overpaying or underpaying can cause friction with your team, mess up your books, and create a compliance nightmare. Mental load. Beyond the practical tasks, there's the constant worry. Did I file that form? Is the payment going to clear? What if I miss a deadline? This mental burden can be just as exhausting as the actual work, impacting your focus on core business activities. Scalability challenges. As your business grows and you consider bringing on more help, manual payroll becomes an even bigger bottleneck. What works for one person quickly becomes unsustainable for 2, 3, or more. Many solopreneurs try to manage payroll manually or with basic spreadsheets, only to quickly realize it's a false economy. The savings in software costs are quickly eaten up by the time spent, the risk of errors, and the sheer mental exhaustion. You started your business to pursue your passion, not to become a payroll expert. So, what's the solution? For many solopreneurs, the answer lies in payroll automation. And one platform that stands out for its simplicity, comprehensive features, and solopreneur-friendly approach is SurePayroll. Enter SurePayroll, your automated payroll partner. SurePayroll, a company under the Paychex umbrella, specializes in serving small businesses, and their platform is particularly well-suited for solopreneurs who might be hiring their first employee, working with a team of contractors, or even managing a small, growing staff. They take the complexities of payroll and distill them into an intuitive, automated process. Imagine this. You log in, enter a few details, and everything else, the calculations, the filings, the payments, is handled for you. No more late-night scrambling, no more tax deadline anxiety. That's the promise of SurePayroll. Key features that make SurePayroll a solopreneur's dream. Let's dive into the specific features that make SurePayroll such a powerful tool for solopreneurs. 1. Intuitive online interface and easy setup. One of the biggest hurdles for any new software is the learning curve. SurePayroll excels here. Their online platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The setup process is streamlined, guiding you step by step to input your company details, employee information, and payment schedules. You don't need to be a tech wizard or an accountant to get started. Many users report being able to set up their first payroll run in a matter of minutes. This ease of use is critical for solopreneurs who can't afford to spend hours learning a new system. 2. Full-service payroll processing. This is where SurePayroll truly shines. They handle the heavy lifting. Calculations. No more manual calculations for gross pay, net pay, deductions, or taxes. SurePayroll automatically calculates all wages, overtime, commissions, bonuses, and takes care of all necessary withholdings. Direct deposit and check printing. You can opt for direct deposit for your employees or contractors, which is incredibly convenient and preferred by most. If you prefer to print checks, SurePayroll also provides that functionality. Tax filing. This is perhaps the biggest relief for solopreneurs. SurePayroll automatically calculates, files, and remits your federal, state, and local payroll taxes. This includes Forms 941, 940, W-2s, and State Unemployment Insurance, SUI forms. They even handle the year-end W-2 and 1099 distribution. This feature alone can save you countless hours and eliminate the stress of tax compliance. New hire reporting. In many states, you're required to report new hires. SurePayroll automates this process, ensuring you stay compliant with state regulations. 3. Contractor payment management. 1099s. Many solopreneurs primarily work with independent contractors rather than traditional employees. SurePayroll understands this and offers robust support for 1099 payments. You can easily set up payments for your contractors, and at the end of the year, SurePayroll generates and files the necessary 1099 forms, simplifying tax season for both you and your contractors. This is a huge benefit, as incorrectly classifying or paying contractors can lead to significant IRS penalties. 4. Employee self-service portal. Even if you only have one employee, an employee self-service portal is a game changer. Your employees can access their pay stubs, W-2s, and other payroll information online, reducing the number of requests you receive. This empowers your team and frees up your time, allowing them to find the information they need independently. 5. Detailed reporting. Understanding your payroll expenses is crucial for managing your budget and making informed business decisions. SurePayroll provides a variety of detailed reports, including payroll summaries, tax liability reports, and historical data. These reports help you track your spending, forecast future expenses, and prepare for tax season with ease. 6. Affordable pricing. SurePayroll offers competitive pricing plans designed to accommodate businesses of different sizes, making it accessible even for solopreneurs on a tight budget. They typically have clear, transparent pricing, often based on the number of employees or contractors you pay. This predictability allows you to budget effectively without hidden fees. 7. Mobile app access. In today's fast-paced world, being able to manage your business on the go is essential. SurePayroll offers a mobile app, allowing you to run payroll, view reports, and manage employee information from your smartphone or tablet. This flexibility means you're not tied to your desk to handle payroll tasks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.